Okay, hello boys and girls. This time we're looking at another guitar pedal here. Another one by Boss, which is a very good reputable company that makes guitar pedals. And like I said, it doesn't have to be really for guitar. Any instrument that has an electrical 1/4 inch input and output could be used. So you can use it on keyboards, even a microphone that's got a 1/4 inch. You could put in any electrical signal. You can go in there and go out, and it will go out to a mixer. This output will go out to a mixer or a guitar amp or a keyboard amp or whatever have you, as long as it's got an input on the other side. So this is the input for the guitar, and in this case I'm using a guitar, and this output here goes to the amplifier, the guitar amplifier. That's how I'm going to show you how it works today. And like I said, it's an equalizer pedal made by Boss, and it's the model GE-7. I've had this for a long time. It works really good. I've used it on my pedal board in conjunction with other effects, or I've used it by itself. And the bottom side, I have some Velcro on here because it's a smaller pedal, and I have some Velcro on my pedal board, and I just Velcro it right on there, and I'm ready to go. It's made out of metal, you know, die-cast metal, so it's pretty good. It's really good construction, and it's like a beige cream color. Boss has different colors for their pedals, and this one's like a beige color. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 GE-7. It has 7 frequencies on this EQ on this pedal. And so there's the frequencies right there, from 100 to 100 hertz here to 6.4 kilohertz. And here's at the very end, this last knob here, or the first knob, depending on which way you look at it, is the input knob. That controls the volume going into the pedal and also the output volume. So that's how you control the volume once the pedal is activated. And to activate this pedal, like most of the pedals, this has an LED light on the top here. And when you press it, the LED light will turn red. When you press it again, it will turn off. We'll go into bypass throughput mode. So on, off. And so when it's off, these things are not affected. It's bypass. It's like if nothing was here. When it's on, the signal passes through these EQs. That's very important to know. Right now, and this works on a 9 volt, or it does have a connection here for a power supply. So right now I'm using a 9 volt battery just for convenience sake, and it lasts a pretty long time. I mean, you can get it definitely to last the whole night. You know, a 4-hour gig easily, and you could probably do 8 or 9 of these gigs with this thing. You know, it lasts a long time. What I've done here is on the input side, I've put a guitar, and on the output side, I've connected it to the amp. So let me show you how I did this. The input side is connected to this guitar right here, and the output side is connected to the amp, which is right next door. It's connected to this amp right here. Now on the top there, you can see where it's connected, right up there. And that's what the setup is like. It's real simple. It's not complicated at all. And that's the way these pedals are designed to work. Simple, not complicated. So if you want simple setups, this is the way to go. So let's get this camera situated here so we can talk about the pedal a little bit, and so we can demonstrate it. There we go. So now let's talk about this thing. So this is the input side, like I was saying, and this is the output side. And this output side is going to go into the amp that I just showed you, and this input side is going to go to the guitar that I just showed you. So I'm going to strum the guitar. I'm just going to strum it and see what it sounds like. Now that's bypass mode, because the red LED is off. So now if I were to press it, now it's on, but it sounds the same because everything is level all the way across. But once you start moving these things, see, it gets bassier. Once you start moving these EQ knobs, sliders, bassier, or you can get the top end, which is this side, more trebly. Turn it down, bassier. You might not want any treble at all. Run it just bass. Just bass. Or do it the other way. This all the way down, and run it all treble. That's the beauty of this pedal. And then here, this first little knob on this side, on the input side, is your level. See, that's all the way down. And this, when you raise it, push it up, it's louder. Bring it down, soft. Up, it's louder. So that's cool. So what generally a lot of people use this pedal is as a boost. So say you're playing your guitar, right? And it sounds like this. You want to go into your solo. So see, this is up a little bit. So you want to go into your solo. It's louder. For your solo, you want to go back to rhythm. Press it again. It goes back to rhythm. I don't know if you saw the LED light, but if I press it, it's active. See? So it's a little louder. I press it again. Goes back down to normal volume. That is pretty cool. And now that it's got the EQ, you can actually boost whatever signal you want. So put the bass signal up. So when I press this, it's going to boost the bass up. Put this down, put the treble up. So now it's normal. When I press it, it's going to boost the treble up. So it's a really nice little pedal for a boost pedal. You know, it works really, really good. So I would recommend this too. It's almost an essential piece in your pedal board. If you're a guitar player that plays rhythm and does solos, I mean, you can just go, it's almost like a channel switcher. Like you can go to a heavier channel or just a regular rhythm channel, and you know, just by boosting the signal. So anyway, that's how this works. This is the GE-7 Boss Equalizer pedal. And pick it up. It's available most anywhere. It's been around forever, and it'll probably be around for a while. Thank you.